If you're concerned about heavy snow piling up on your roof, this review of the Snow Peeler Roof Rake is for you. We tried a traditional roof rake this year, but the snow was way too heavy. A friend of ours recommended that we try a snow peeler. What I loved about the snow peeler is it has a very sturdy adjustable pole that reaches up to 20 feet. The pole has quick snap connectors, so this allows you to add or remove extensions. The 20-foot pole is ideal for single-story homes. Now, the metal part of the shovel itself that actually breaks up snow is made of aluminum, and it cuts through both fresh and hard-packed snow easily. To use the snow peeler, it is different compared to a traditional snow rake because what you're doing is you're pushing up on the snow peeler instead of pulling down. The metal shovel, it cuts through the snow and it almost makes like cubes. So the snow slides down the tarp that's attached to the pole, and then the snow comes off your roof in cubes, so you better watch out below. Our roof is way too slippery and steep to be climbing it in the winter time. That's why I would give this snow peeler a 5-star review. It allows you to remove all of that heavy snow from your roof while staying safe on the ground with both feet.